Hey Roland, this is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. Wanted to come out and shoot you a quick video of the 2008 Chrysler. Show you the condition of the vehicle, make sure to show you all the details of it. So the stuff that we're doing to it, so basically it's an oil change. We're putting an alignment on the vehicle, rotating and balancing. We're replacing a windshield cowling as well as front brake change. We are also doing a headlight restoration as well. So the headlights are a little bit faded here, but we are restoring those headlights. The vehicle was beachside, so the people who owned it before did live over on the beach side. Got some wheel rusting here, and some paint fading. As far as the condition of it goes, it's a lot of just cosmetic stuff. It did sit out in the sun, so the paint here is fading a little bit. Show you the inside of the vehicle. For a 50,000 mile Sebring though, it's a great price. You got leather here on the inside. It is a convertible, so that top does go down. 50,000 miles actually on the clock. It does have heated seats, as well as it looks like Bluetooth it does come in the vehicle, as well as what it seems like right here. So hope this video helps you. There's the back. It will get a nice detail with the purchase. So let me know what you think. I'll be giving you a call with the numbers. All right. Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and look forward to helping you out with your purchase.